Good day, children. Sairam. Today we will be doing revision of grammar, chapter number 2, articles. We will be solving the questions as per the paper pattern. Children, in today's class also, first you all will solve the questions and then we will discuss. So be ready with a book and a pencil, okay, and then I will come back and discuss the answers with you. Okay, children, now let's discuss the answers. The question that I had given is choose the correct articles from the given options. Now there are two options given in all the sentences. You have to select the correct article for the word in the sentence. So the first sentence is, this is dash house that Jack built. Now what is the correct option? What is the correct article that you have selected? Yes. Yes, the answer is the. This is the house that Jack built. Now children, here the answer is the because we are talking about a specific house. The house that Jack built. And because the is a definite article, we are writing the before the house. Okay, now second sentence, I won dash prize because I wrote an amazing story. Yes, now here which is the correct article? A. Now you'll select the correct article A. I won a prize before I wrote an amazing story. Okay, now the answer A is because the word prize begins with a consonant. It begins with a consonant P, and that is why you're writing A before the word. Third sentence, he plays dash flute. Which is the answer which is the correct article that you have chosen? Yes, the. So the answer is he plays the flute. Now answer is the because flute is a musical instrument and we use the before musical instruments. Now fourth sentence, Riya is dash honest girl. Now which is the correct article here, children? What have you selected? An. Riya is an honest girl. Now here the answer is an because even though H is a consonant, the word H, the word honest has a vowel sound. The H in the word honest has a vowel sound as in A. Okay, Riya is an honest girl. So that H has a vowel sound. Okay, so the correct answer is an. Fifth sentence, Himalayas are dash highest mountains. Now here the correct answer is the. Okay, because the is a because highest is a superlative word. So we use the before superlatives. John is planning dash party for his mother's birthday. Now here the correct answer is A. So answer is John is planning a party for his mother's birthday. Seventh sentence, the musician was dash old man. Now here answer is an. Now in the word old, O is a vowel. So we are using an before it. Eighth sentence, we were dash first to reach the school. Now here children, the answer is the. Now here first is an ordinal. Okay, it is an ordinal. I've taught you in the when I explained to you this chapter, I've taught you. So first is an ordinal, so we use the before it. Now the ninth sentence, have you seen dash elephant? So here the answer is an, because elephant starts with the word e. E is a vowel, and that is why you use an before elephant. Now 10th sentence, the train will reach in dash hour. So now here the answer is an. Now here also children, in the word hour, H has a vowel sound. So we are using an before it. Can you tell me dash story? So here the answer is a story. Okay? Because S is a consonant. 12th sentence, how blue dash sky looks? Here the answer is the. Now we are using the before sky because sky is one of its kind. Like I had explained to you earlier, we use the before things which are one of its kind. Like for example, the sun, the moon. And so here also we are using the sky. So answer is how blue the sky looks. 13th sentence, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. 14th sentence, lion is dash ferocious animal. So here the article, correct article is A. 15th, the sun rises in the east. Now here the answer is the, because east is a definite direction in which the sun rises. So we use the definite article the. 16th sentence, I ate dash orange. And the correct answer is an, because the O is a vowel and you use an before a vowel. 17th sentence, the brave soldier lost an arm. Okay, here also A is a vowel and so you use an before arm. 18th sentence, Frank wants dash new bicycle for his birthday. So here also answer is A. So Frank wants a new bicycle for his birthday. Okay children, I have completed the revision of the second chapter also. That is there for your first unit test. So go through the videos where I have taught the chapters and follow the revision. All the best. Do well in the test. And thank you children.